Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I'm still very bullish overall, even though we've been going down pretty much all year so far. I still think this needs to make three waves up for an ABC of wave Y, which I still think is eventually going to go up and take out these highs. I think this is three waves up for a W, three waves down for an X, and it should make three waves up for an ABC of wave Y. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely been going down pretty strong all year so far, but I still think this is like a subdivision wave one, subdivision wave two. I still think this is eventually going to go up and make a three, a four, and a wave five, which I think is a one, two, three, four, and five of wave C. Just like this wave A, one, two, three, four, five had five waves. I think the wave C needs to have five waves, which is all part of the ABC of wave Y, like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we'll have to keep an eye on it. We do have CPI coming out tomorrow for the US dollar. I still think this first push up is a one. I still think this is a wave two. I think we may be very close to ending this wave two and continuing back up for a wave three. Hopefully, tomorrow's CPI news is what causes this to confirm, or it gives us the confirmation that this really is the end of a wave two and that we really are going back up for that big wave three. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it kind of looks like this is an ABC right here, doesn't it? And a lot of the dollar pairs do kind of look like they are drifting down. And I think it would make a lot of sense for this to go down between today and tomorrow's CPI news, and most likely set itself up for a big long at the CPI tomorrow, probably ending a wave two and beginning at that big wave three. So let's take it down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I was actually wondering if it already ended a correction. Now the Aussie is a little bit on the strong side as of right now. I was thinking that maybe this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this was 1, 2, 3 waves down, and that maybe this is already made a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, and then we just have a lower high wave C. Now if it does pop up and take out the high of wave A, that actually probably would be a much clearer pattern. But a lot, like I said, a lot of dollar pairs look like they're going down, and I think there's a pretty good chance this one's going to go down also. And plus, I think it's going to most likely set itself up for tomorrow's CPI news, which I think at this point, most likely it's going to continue to drift down, setting itself up for a big long at the news tomorrow. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.